Hello you guys, welcome to Talessia's Kitchen. In this edition I will show you how I make a baked fish. Now you can use any fish that you prefer. This fish that I had on here was tilapia. So I washed them off, dried them and set them in a pan. You'll need some mushrooms, you'll need pepper, rice, seasoning, butter, and some heavy whipping cream. So let's get into this. So I already told y'all how to season food. Fish is no different. So usually you'll season both sides of food, but the way I do my fish, I just put it in the, when I'm baking it, I just season the top part, and you will understand that later on. Just go ahead and season it. Now in this pan, I'm gonna put some butter and then top it off aluminum foil and put it in the oven. The oven is preheated all the way to 380 degrees. So about a stick of butter. Put your aluminum foil on it. Go ahead and let this bake in the oven for about 30-40 minutes, then we'll be on to the next step. I did a video showing y'all already how to make rice, but I have a rice maker and I like it, so I use the rice maker. So follow directions on how to cook rice, or I will give you the link below to show you how I make my rice. So while that's cooking, I'm going to make the rice. Okay, we're going to turn your skillet on. You're going to put like a stick of butter in there, and you're going to saute the mushrooms and peppers. We're actually going to cook this down. Once the butter and everything melt on it, we're going to add the heavy whipping cream. I'm going to decide to add some Philadelphia cream cheese. On these to have lines on there, so I'm going to just cut one off and just cut that one. You can go ahead and add this in there. Cream cheese is real good. It gives like a smooth, good flavor to about any sauce to me. Okay, the butter and cream cheese has melted. Go ahead and add your heavy whipping cream. Now I have two out. I might add another one, but so far one is good. But we're going to season this with Mrs. Dash, black pepper, complete seasoning, onion powder, accent, seasoning salt, and garlic powder. Let this come to a boil, and then we'll come back. As you can see, this is coming to a boil. Now, this is grated Parmesan cheese. When you're making any kind of sauce with grated this, you have to make sure this be at a complete boil, because if it don't, it'll be gritty. So I'll just say a couple of tosses of Parmesan cheese in there. And go ahead and stir it. That hotness breaks down the Parmesan cheese. That grated Parmesan cheese has dissolved, use white cheese. White cheese, it can be Parmesan cheese, Romano, a mixture of just any kind of white cheese. It really don't matter. So I would say like a handful. You can add more to your liking. I'm probably add more. So let this thicken up. And move on to our next step. Okay, as you see, this is thickening up. So we're going to turn this off. Then we're going to get our tilapia out of the oven. Now you see how it's like a little juice in there? See how it's a little juice in there? I'm going to pour this off. And I'm going to pour this right over it. And we're going to put it back in the oven, but this time without the top for just 30 more minutes. And that's it. Okay, we are back. Look at the rice. It's just steaming. The rice maker. I put the link down to show you how I make rice, or you can use your rice maker. And I took this out of the oven. I let it stand for like 15-20 minutes. Here it is, but let me just show you how it looks on the plate. Go ahead and scoop you out some rice. Nothing like a good bed of rice. So, put that right on top. Scoop you out some. I love mushrooms. Like, just give me all mushrooms. I will be totally satisfied. I'm gonna get another spoon so I can drizzle some more on there. Get a little scooper. Just get some of that sauce. Just drip that sauce on. Put this to the side. Look at this. Look at this delicious rice. Look at this, you guys. This looks so good. I wish this had smell. Well, this is just my little, what's today? Thursday dinner. I just whipped up tilapia, made a little sauce, baked it, put some, what is these, mushrooms and peppers in it. Let me know how y'all like it. And one thing I forgot to mention in the beginning, which I told y'all, and I'll do a link. I put Parmesan grated in the white cheese, but I'll have that all in the beginning. Thank you for watching with Talessia's Kitchen. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and let me know what you think after you make this lovely meal. Y'all have a blessed day. Until next time. Until I cook again.